We're here at Toyota, guys, checking out their lineup. The first car I decided to go into is the GR Corolla, but unfortunately this is the automatic one. I initially wanted one before I had the IS 500. Honestly, it feels nice. The seats are nice and everything, but I wouldn't be with an automatic here. Oh, the no armrest. I can definitely see why people complain about that. It's kind of weird. Nice steering though. Yeah, the car is beautiful. Let's see the outside. Nice wheels. $45,000. The Land Cruiser is totally badass. This one is the I-Force. Nice wheels and tires set up. Ooh, hold on, what is that? Pretty cool. Let's see the inside. Oh wow. It definitely could use a step. Oh, it is comfortable in here. Oh, it is touch sensitive lights up here, so there's no buttons. There's another special car I want to go check out. They have a 4Runner. It is pricey. I'll show you guys the add-ons in a second. Let's go over there. Nice and solid door. Oh, look at it. Tires are monstrous. Holy moly. Let's see the inside. Ooh! It definitely feels like a tank again. This is an SR5, but it does have some nice features on it. The price is ridiculous though. Smaller screen here. I think they do have the ones with the bigger screen. The buttons have really nice touches. Good feel. Plastic overall. I do like the handle. It is shaky. Shaky glove box. Nice leather seats. But let's take a look at the price real quick. Let's take a look at the back seat of the 4Runner. That's how you put it down. This doesn't have the battery pack. Oh, the new car smells so nice. Two USB type C. Sorry you guys can't see back here. Maybe a little better with the light on. Sharp looking car. But I wish it still had the same engine. It does not have power passenger seats. They are press buttons up here. Solid feeling center console, but this kind of feels flimsy. Here's a look at the trunk of the car. I do like the shelves on the side. Empty box here. Interesting looking car. Where does it close from? Do you just push it down? The front end looks really beautiful on this thing. Good approach angle. I love the car overall, I just don't like the back here. I don't like that back angle on it. Everything else overall looks beautiful. Tacoma in silver looks really nice. We'll go check those out in a second. Let's go take a look at the outside cars now. Let's see what they have. Another beautiful GR Corolla. That's an AMG doing that. If you guys can hear it in the background. Tell me this is a manual. It's another automatic sitting around. I don't think they'll ever sell as much. I mean, it's nice that they have it, but I don't think this car would be the best with an automatic. It's 43, but with the add-ons and everything, comes out to 46,583. Here's another cool car, back-wheel drive. Let's see, is it open? Oh no, they closed the outside ones. 35 404, 33 original, but I bet you that's gonna come down. It's damaged on the front. I don't know if you guys saw it. Again, let's take a look. That's definitely damaged. Yeah, that's deep into the paint. This whole piece has to come out. And we got the big boy Tundra. Let's see what the price is on this one here. 63, 57 before all the add-ons. They've got the JBL 12 speaker premium sound, premium package, limited power package. It is not the iForce, I think, because that would have the sign for it. I do like they integrated this right here. There is a Land Cruiser there, but the one inside is more modded. Let's see if they have a price on this one here. Not sure if I'm a fan of the wheels of the new Toyotas, to be honest with you. Blacked out badges. iForce to the max. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm a fan. They look better with the sun hitting them. Let's take a look on the other side one more time. I don't want to block out the sun. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm a fan. Here's the inside. Let's take a look at the front. It's new, but there's no pricing on it. I wonder if it's sold. We're looking at the Camry next. I thought this thing was 34,700 after the add-ons and everything, but it's really 37. Nice interior. Space for a water bottle sideways, and it doesn't really fit here. Some extra space on the side. Nice color combo seats. 2 cup holders. Nice front end overall. Nice material on the seats. Oh, this is cool. So the vents start off here. They kind of end right here exactly, but they fade off, and the grooves end right by the screen. Nice design. Makes it look elegant. But again, $40,000 almost for a Camry. That is not fully loaded with the big screen. Here's the view from the back. Not the biggest fan of glossy wheels. This is the SE trim. Camry, all-wheel drive. How do you open the back here? I guess it's locked. Let's see the back seat. From this side, with more light possibly. Nice economy car. Nice economy car for sure. Guys, I'm sitting inside the Tundra for the first time, and this thing is absolutely huge on the inside. iForce Max. Oh, the new car smell. I did not expect the backseat to be this big. This is like a 7 Series BMW inside. Wow. And this seat is pushed back all the way. Alright guys, this is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Peace.